Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Gaurav Graphics. In this video, we are going to create Diwali poster, and we can say that it is a greeting. And this greeting we can send this greeting to our relatives, to our friend at the occasion of Diwali. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first we have to open our Photoshop, and it depends on us which type of artboard we are taking. So it totally depends on us. So I am taking here, this is our artboard, and we can select it. If we want to make this poster by only, then we can edit, then we can make it. Otherwise we can take the help of websites. So we are going to add our template by websites, so there is no issue. So we are using here canva.com. So Canva. And guys, I am telling you about this website. It is a website where we can download the templates of posters and other designs also. Now I am searching here Diwali Instagram stories, and it is a size. It is also a size of our Instagram post, so that's why we are selecting here. So you guys can see that these are the poster, but I'm not mostly use that website. I'm mostly using that Prepic website, so it is also good website, and the work of both websites are same, so there is no issue. I will take something from here. It is also a good website, and mostly I'm using that website. So here I am searching Diwali. So guys, we can select it according to our need. So guys, it is looking quite good, and but it is also looking quite good. So I am downloading this free download, and failed. So the downloading of this vector file is completed. Now I am extracting it. So go to our file. Where is our file? Downloads, and this is our file. So cut from here. Now paste this file here. Now make it extract. So this is our EPS file. We can say that it is editable file, and we can edit this file in our Adobe Illustrator. But we are going to create poster by the JPEG form of it. So just put here and drag the size of it and adjust it according to our need. So it is complete. Mostly our design is completed. If we want to add our logo, then we can add it. So I'm choosing here logo. So select your logo first, EPS files, and search here GG. So this is my logo. So I want to put only that thing. So we can put that thing here and make the size of it small and tick. Now select that layer and go to blending options and change the color of it like this. So this is, and if we want to add some kind of textures and elements, then we can add it. So go to again free pick. Now search here elements of Diwali. Then these are the elements. If we want to add, then we can add it. Like just for example, if we want to add this thing, so firstly download it, free download. Now our downloading has been completed. Now go to files. Now go to download and cut that thing again. Now go to download and extract this file again. So it is our EPS form. So put that file here and delete the all unnecessary parts and put that thing here. Now embed it, zoom it, and make ungroup, again delete it. Then our PNG is completed, and now we can add that thing here, like like this, and we can edit it little more like this. And if we want to paste any quote in this, then we can also do that. So search any quote here, quote of Diwali. Look, this is our code, and we can add this code here. So firstly, go to our add of Illustrator software and delete that thing. Now added something, so it is our code, and now we have to put that thing one by one. So firstly, make firstly select May. Now put that May here. Now select the font here. So I'm using here Lovelace font, like this. I like this font actually. And now select that THE, copy and make the duplicate of May and select and paste it. Again choose here Lovelace font. Prosperity, and we should increase the size of this prosperity like this, so maybe it will capture all the things. And Happy Diwali, so we can add this same without changing the font like this, and Happy Diwali like this, and change the color of it. So we can change the color like this, and copy all the things and paste this thing in our Photoshop, so we can use that thing here. So I think maybe it is looking quite good like this. And so hope you all are like this video. If you really like this, then give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. And if you want to download that file in PSD format, then you can download it. And thank you so much.